Elon Musk's prediction that the Tesla Model Y would become the best-selling car in the world has come true. In 2016, Musk estimated that the demand for the Model Y would be between 500,000 and 1 million units per year. He even went as far as to say that it would become the best-selling car globally. Many people mocked him for his ambitious prediction, but it is now clear that he was right. In the last quarter of 2022, the Model Y became the best-selling vehicle of any kind in Europe and the best-selling non-pickup vehicle in the United States. It is also on track to catch up with the Toyota Corolla, which is currently the best-selling car in the world by sales volume. Musk's prediction is a major coup for Tesla and a sign of the growing popularity of electric vehicles. The Model Y is a stylish and practical SUV that offers a long range and a luxurious interior. It is no wonder that it is so popular with consumers around the world. Tesla is making a refresh to the Model Y, its best-selling vehicle, to create momentum for further growth in the future. The update is expected to include new exterior and interior design, as well as improved performance and range. Tesla is ramping up Model Y production across the globe, with factories in the United States, Europe, and China. The company is targeting a production rate of 20 million vehicles per year by 2030. Elon Musk recently traveled to China to meet with top government officials and Tesla employees. He praised China's technological development and the potential of the electric vehicle market in the country. Tesla also opened a new battery factory in Shanghai, China. The factory will be able to produce 10,000 megapacks, which are large batteries used to store huge amounts of electricity. The refresh of the Model Y is a sign of Tesla's commitment to the electric vehicle market. The company is investing heavily in production capacity and new technologies to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles. Tesla has made a number of significant changes to the Model Y, including upgrading the computer and cameras to hardware 4, adding back radar sensors, providing access to photos and reports for points of interest and supercharger locations, improving automatic emergency braking to stop for threats while driving in reverse, allowing rear passengers to move the passenger seat forwards or backwards when the car is parked, releasing a track pack with track-ready tires, carbon ceramic brakes, and software upgrades that unlock a top speed of 200 miles per hour, adding speed assist, which uses the car's cameras to detect speed limit signs, adding vision park assist, which visually and audibly warns you of surrounding objects. These changes are expected to make the Model Y even more appealing to consumers. Tesla is also continuing to ramp up production of the Model Y, and it is currently the top-selling passenger car and top-selling light truck in the United States. Tesla's Model Y is the most popular vehicle in California, selling more than twice as many units as the second-place Toyota RAV4. Tesla is also the number 2 selling brand in California, behind Toyota. Tesla has been working hard to ramp up production of the Model Y, and it has reached a production rate of 5,000 units per week at its Giga Texas factory. Tesla is also planning to increase production at its Giga Berlin factory. Tesla and Ford have announced a partnership that will allow Ford EV customers to use Tesla superchargers. This is a major development, as it will give Ford customers access to the largest and most reliable charging network in the United States. In 2025, Ford will adopt Tesla's charging standard. This is a significant move, as it will make it easier for Tesla and Ford EV owners to charge their cars. It will also help to standardize the charging infrastructure in the United States. The partnership between Tesla and Ford is a major step forward for the electric vehicle industry. It will make it easier for people to switch to electric cars, and it will help to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. Superchargers. Ford reportedly said one of the biggest motivations here was Tesla's supercharger reliability being American charging standard. Because of the charging standard, the US has gone forward with CCS as the new baseline, but this competition may win out if Ford shifts entirely to Tesla's connectors. The Model Y is Tesla's compact crossover SUV. It was one of the first fully electric crossovers to hit the market, and is the standard by which all other is packed with technology features that most Tesla owners love. Although the Model Y is the current benchmark in its class, competitors from legacy automakers are quickly catching up. It's for this reason that Tesla could very well be planning to update the Model Y for the 2024 model year. The release of Project Juniper is not just a rumor at this point. Updated styling both inside and out, as well as modified new features, are certain to happen. So how much does a Tesla Model Y upgrade for 2024 cost? The prices of all 3 versions of the 2024 Model Y are lower compared to the current prices that were implemented in 2023. This means that senior Americans who have a fondness for electric vehicles will be pleased to know they can enjoy the benefits of the latest Model Y at a more affordable cost. This reduction in price makes owning an electric vehicle more accessible and attractable to people looking to embrace sustainable transportation options. In 2024, Tesla introduced a dual-motor odd option providing enhanced performance and traction at an appealing price of $49,990. This translates to a remarkable 1.35 times cheaper than the previous year's model, equivalent to $67,740 in the latest 2024 update. The Model Y long-range version from Tesla is now available at a price of $52,990. This represents a significant 1.4 times reduction in cost compared to the previous year, equivalent to $74,490 when fully equipped. Additionally, the new performance version of the Model Y comes at a price tag of $56,990 in the latest 2024 update. That marks a notable 1.28 times reduction in cost as compared to the previous year, when the 2023 Model Y performance amounts to $73,490 when fully customized. This exciting development sure to captivate the attention of customers who've got a passion for automobiles and enjoy staying informed through these engaging experiences. If you've been patiently waiting until 2024 to purchase a Tesla Model Y, hoping to qualify for the new federal tax credit, you might need to take action now. In early 2023, the U.S. Treasury unveiled the list of electric vehicles eligible for the 7500 tax credit, and the Model Y. The 2024 Tesla Model Y is getting a major update with a new look, upgraded interior, and improved battery. On the exterior, the 2024 Model Y will have a sculpted front fascia, slimmer LED headlights, a simplified front bumper, and revised fenders. These changes give the car a sportier and more aggressive look. Inside, the 2024 Model Y will have a cleaner and more streamlined interior with a departure from the forward trim on the dashboard. Tesla has also opted for the use of Alcantara, a premium material known for its luxurious feel and durability. The cabin will also offer a captivating black and white dual-tone theme. In terms of battery, the 2024 Model Y will use the Tesla-designed 4680 cell, which is 5.5 times larger than the 2170 cell it replaces. This results in a longer range of nearly 400 miles for the long-range variant and 330 miles for the performance variant. Overall, the 2024 Tesla Model Y is a major improvement over the 2023 model. It has a sportier look, a more luxurious interior, and a longer range. If you're looking for a new electric SUV, the 2024 Model Y is definitely worth considering. The Tesla Model Y 2024 is a major improvement over the 2023 model. It has a longer range, faster acceleration, and more advanced features. The long-range variant has a range of 400 miles, while the performance variant has a range of 330 miles. Both variants can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The Model Y also has a new heat pump that makes it more efficient in cold weather. The autopilot driver assistance feature has also been updated with improved capabilities. We recommend the Model Y long-range variant for most drivers. It offers a good balance of range, performance, and value. The performance variant is more expensive and has a slightly shorter range, but it is more fun to drive. The Tesla Model Y 2024 is scheduled to go into production in October 2024. It will be produced at Tesla's manufacturing facilities in Austin, Texas, and Berlin, Germany. The Model Y compares favorably to other electric SUVs on the market. It has a longer range than the Mercedes EQB and is more spacious than the Toyota RAV4 Prime. It also has more advanced features, such as the heat pump and autopilot. If you are looking for a long-range, fast, and feature-rich electric SUV, the Tesla Model Y 2024 is a great option. It is a well-rounded. As the YouTube video concludes, we extend our thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, we invite you to subscribe to the Tesla Assortment channel to stay connected with us. Your support drives us forward.